Hello guys, and welcome to our next video. So now it's time to implement this FanIn and FanOut concurrent pattern in Python. So let's start. First of all, we need to store these items, and of course we need to import asyncio. And also import this chan type and store the item as a dictionary in Python. The next is this generator, so this is gen function. Let's do the same thing here. So we need to define this as asynchronous function as well, and it will accept the items. We are going to create get channel inside this gen function, and for in items, and we are going to put this item to the channel and return from this channel. Yes, the next step is adding this discount function, and I'm going to add this discount, but I'm going to implement this goroutine part in this separate function. So we need to define async def apply discount, and it will receive the out channel and also the items channel. Then we are going to run the for loop asynchronously in this items channel and check if the category of the item is shoe, then apply the discount. Then we need to put this discounted item back to the out channel, and we need to await like sleep to simulate this discount delay. The next function we need to implement is the discount itself, and it will also accept the out channel, the items channel, and it will wait for apply discount with out channel and items channel. So the next function is the FanIn. So but before that, I want to we need to implement the asynchronous function for processing the channel itself. So let's just define it. Process channel, just separate the things a bit. So out channel, it will receive out channel and the channel where it should traverse. So async for in channel and await for out channel, and putting back this the value to the out channel. The next thing is the FanIn function. It will also receive the out channel and also the channels, and for channel in channels, we need to process this channel, and after the processing the channel itself, we need to process process output. So what we have here, so we are going to implement this, processing the output as a asynchronous function, and we need to await not here in the main function, but inside the FanIn function. So, and the process output is, I think, def process output. It will receive the channel, and the only thing that it should print, processed in channel, it will print the same string, so category, yeah, is processed category, and also the price is processed price category. Nice. And we are waiting for this function here with the out channel. So we put the values to the out channel in the process channel, but processing the output for this out channel. And of course we need to yeah, that's it. What we need to, like, we have FanIn, we have discount, we have gen, and we need to have what's this? Nothing. So we need to have this async main function. So the main function is just it's just, yeah, we need to create this channel as here, so calling this gen function with this dictionaries, so in fact we don't even need this list here, but just it's my mistake here. So yeah, we've passed the items to the gen async function. It will return the channel. We need to create extra channels, and another one. So, and then we are going to await and then gather the discount out 2 and C, then discount out 1 and then C, then await and creates a task. Scroll it, and create task from FanIn, right? From FanIn, and should receive this out, then out 1 and out 2. This is out channel, and this is the channels out 1 and out 2. Out 1, right? Yeah, there's nothing remained here, in fact, and the only thing that we need to call it. So if name is equal to main just async io run this main function, and let's see. Oops. Let's see what will the result. It somehow sleeping. Yeah, I think that we need to sleep here in order to achieve mimicking this parallelism. Let's see. First two and second, and we can actually check if they are the different channels. So the first two values are from first channel and the second two values are from another channel. So just print the channel. Nice. Yeah, it works. So again, just run this main go. So first two, then second two, and we have achieved the same result. Let's just get rid of this print. We have achieved the same result. So first two, then second two. Right, great. What we can show here, just print this the length of these channels. Out 1 and out 2. It's just for interest. I don't know if it will show some. Yes. So the two, it's gathered traverse the channel from the gen function and put some random two items into this out one channel, and second two random values to the this out channel. And in fact, if we can see what's the length of this out channel, the final channel, let's see, because we have already processed, we have already processed channel, and it will just end the channel and close the channels, and that's why the length of the channel is 0 here, but it's 4. We know it because we have printed the values. What is remaining here? I think nothing. The only thing that I want to show that I have added implemented the len as returning the queue size from this channel, and added some extra methods to this chan type, like it's for convenience, so they should be there. So we have support for synchronous iteration, and also for asynchronous iteration for this channel type. So we have achieved what we want. We have result as the same result as with Golang, and this is how we have implemented this concurrent pattern with Golang channels and goroutines, and also with Python async IO. So that's it for now, and see you in the next video. Bye.